Hi there, Melody from WTI. A puzzle toy for dogs? What? Check this one out. Yes, there is such a thing as a dog puzzle toy. And this one from CAROZEN is a food puzzle toy feeder. The slow feeder really helps with the digestion and helps with anxiety. It's made out of a durable plastic, which is amazing because it's going to last a long time. You can wash it by hand. You can put it in the dishwasher. Washing it by hand is easy. It has little drains here on the bottom, so there's not going to be any water sitting on it when you're done using it. So this interactive toy has two different difficulty levels. The first one is they get a reward if they nudge up the little buttons to look for their food that you've put in there. The second level is you train them how to push down on this dispenser and the food will come out into the little containers that, again, they have to nudge up to get their little reward. So again, it takes time. It gives them a reward for their hard work, reduces anxiety, and helps them eat a little bit slower. This interactive toy from CAROZEN is great for all sorts of different kinds of breeds and all sorts of different sizes of dogs. And that's my point of view.